Hello, Twinkle Toes. Remember me? Fat Hat won't have much news for you looking like that. Ooh. Oh, I see you forgot to bring the sugar. How careless of you. Say hello to Pinchy. Whoa. Okay, Twinkle Toes. I know about the buffers, and I got George the steamroller to finish the job. That's what I saw in my dream. It's coming true. My universe is starting to crumble. And I know about the magic railway. And when I find that engine, you and all those puffballs will be history. Especially that silly Fat Hat. Now tell me where the buffers are. Now! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh no you don't. Oh no! You got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, too late, Diesel. Did you put all this here for me? You must have known I was coming. How kind of you. Oh, I'm at the windmill. Now that's what I call a perfect landing. This must be the clue to unlock the source of the gold dust. Stoke up the magic in the mountain and the lady will smile. Then watch the swirls that spin so well. Where's the writing gone? So boss, how did you let Twinkle Toes escape? Yeah, that's a good question. Oh, that, well, I did it on purpose. You know, I was testing to see if he could escape. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Do you wear pants? Well, training pants. Alright, playtime's over, Splodge. Uh-oh. Now it's time for the next lesson, huh? I call it, How to Stop Being Stupid. Oh, boss, look. Oh, that's gonna ruin my facial.